Welcome back to class. Yesterday we have discussed example of exercise 5.4 up to 14 examples. Now example number 15 is there are 2401 students in a school. PT teacher wants them to stand in rows and columns such that the number of rows equals to the number of columns. Find the number of rows. Let us see 2-3 examples already we have discussed related to this situation. Let us see what he want to say. Number of rows must be equals to number of column. Number of rows is equals to number of columns. Let us consider number of rows. Let number of rows are x. If number of rows are equals to number of columns, then number of columns will be x. Then number of columns are x. Then total number of students will be, suppose there are 2 rows, first row, second row, and there are 2 rows, then in first row there will be 2 students, and in second row also there are number of rows equals to number of column. Okay, let us see if what is this situation. Let us see. Number of rows equals to number of column means if there are 2 rows, 1, 2, then there will be 2 columns. These are rows and these are columns. Now number of students will be number of students will be x into x. X square means there are x row and x column. Number of columns, find the number of rows. Okay, see, situation is something different. This is not number of students. Again read statement. PT teacher wants them to stand in rows and columns such that number of rows is equals to number of columns. These are students only. Yes, question was right. Number of students will be x into x. According to your question, these total number of students given to us 2401. Applying square root on both sides. Applying square root on both sides will be x is equals to this x square root 2401. This square to square root will be cancelled. Now we have to find out square root of this number 2401. Square root of 2401. Let us do this by division method. So start pairing, one pair, then next pair. We need to think about one number whose square is less than or equals to 24. 4 4s are 16, 5 5s are 25. 25 will be more than this 24. So it will be 4 4s are 16. 14 minus 6, 8. Then carry down next pair, 1. 801. This is 801. Next, enter this digit. Double of this digit will be 8. We have to take double of quotient and enter this digit with leaving one blank at the right of this digit. So now think about one number whose multiplication with this complete number is equals to 801 or less than. Let us see. 8. What number you can consider, because unit digit is 1. Let us consider 9. 9 9 ja 81, 9 8 ja 72, and 8 80. So what is that digit? 9. 9 801. So what will be square root of 2401? 49. So there are 49 rows There are 49 rows. Let us start exercise. Exercise 5.4. What is? Find the square root each of the following numbers by division method. I told you division method. Let us do each part by division method. First part is 2304. 2304. We have to start pairing. Again, I want to remind what was division method. See, if any number is given, suppose, then its square root we are going to find out with the division method. First step is we have to pair the given digits. We have to start pairing from the rightmost. One pair and then second pair. And suppose if one number is also given, then you will keep this bar on that number alone. Now, there question is 2304. After that, we have to think about one such number there whose square is equals to or less than this 24. So, let us see what could be that number whose square is less than or equals to this 23. 4 4 the 16, 5 5 the 25. 25 will be more than this 23. So, I will take 4 4 the 16. 4 4 the 16. 13 minus 6, answer is 7. 1 minus 1 0. Then you have to carry down next pair, not a single digit. And let us see what is this. This 23 is called, we started with this step 2304. One pair, second pair. This 4 and 4. Now this is 16. This 4 we are considering quotient. This 4 is divisor. And this is dividend. Okay, now we have to take double of this quotient. Double of this quotient will be 8, and we have to enter the double of this quotient with leaving one blank at right of it. Now think about next number, next digit whose multiplication with this complete number is equals to or less than 704. So start thinking. It is 8. Last digit is 4. So think about such number whose multiplication with itself, whose square, 8 8 is 64, will contain 4 as its unit digit. So 8 8 is 64. I want to write there 8 and now check its multiplication. 8 8 is 64, then 6 8 8 is 64 and 6 70. Now 8 you will write there and 8 there. 704. Multiplication will be 704. Remainder is 0. So square root of 2304 is 48. Let us do next question. What is next part? Next part is 4489. 4489. Its square root we have to find out by division method. Start pairing 89 and then 44. Think about number whose square is equals to or less than 45. 7 7 ja 49. 7 7 ja 49. 49 is greater than this 44. Then I will consider 6 6 ja 36. 6 6 ja 36. 14 minus 6, 8. Carry down next pair, 89. Now double of this quotient is 12. Now enter with the blank at its right. Think about next digit. This is 12. Think about which one digit will carry this 9 at its unit place. Let us, it is 8 8 ja 64, 7 7 ja 49. Let us take 7 7 ja 49, 7 2 ja 14 and 4 18, 7 1 ja 7 and 1 8. So we got that digit, that is 7, right there 7. And multiplication with 127 with 127 is 889. So remainder is 0. Square root of 4489 is 67. Next question. What is next? Next part is What is next part? 3481. 3481. Its square root we have to find out by division method. Let us find out 3481. 3481. Pair 81 and then 34. 6 6 36 will be more than 34. Then 5 5 25. 5 5 25. 14 minus 5, 9. Then carry down next pair, it is 81. Double of this quotient is 10. Enter this with leaving one blank. Okay. Let us think about digit whose multiplication with this complete will be equals to 981 or less than 981. Okay. Let us start thinking. It contains 1 as its unit digit. So maybe we can check on 9 because 9 9 ja 81 and 1 it is containing 1 at its unit place. So 9 9 ja 81 and 9. So we got 981 with 9. You will write there also 9. Multiplication of 109 with 9 is 981. Remainder is 0. So what is square root of 3481? 59. Let us do fourth part. What is fourth part? What is fourth part? 529. 529. Start pairing from the right side. 29 and then just one single digit left. Then you will keep bar on single digit. Think about number whose square equal to 5 or less than 5. 2 2s are 4. Then remainder is 1. Carry down next pair 29. Then double of this quotient will be 4. Enter this digit with leaving a blank at its right side. Now think about one number along with this 4 whose multiplication with given number will be equals to or less than 129. So 4, it's 3 3s are 9. Let us check. 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are 12. So we got 3 that digit and multiplication with 3 of 43 is 129. Remainder is 0. So what is square root of 529? 23. What is square root of 529? 23. Let us see next. What is next part? 3249. We have to find out its square root by division method. So start pairing. It is 49 and it is 32. 5 5s are 25 and 6 6 are 36. 36 will be more than this 32. Then we need to think about 5. 5 into 5, 25. What will be remainder? 12 minus 5, 7. Carry down. Next pair, 49. Double of this quotient is 10. Enter this 10 with leaving one blank at its right side. Now we need to think about one digit whose multiplication with this number will give us 749 or less than this one. So 10. It is 7 7 ja 49. Yes. 7 7 ja 49 and 7. We got 749. Multiplication with 107 with 7. Remainder is 0. So what will be square root of 3249? Its answer is 57. What will be answer? 57. Let us do next part. Next is sixth part. What is sixth part? 1369. It's a square root by division method. So start pairing. (69) and then 13. Think about one number whose multiplication, whose square is less than or equals to this 13. 4 4 ja 16 is greater than this 13 and 3 threes are 9 here to write now. 13 minus 9, 4. And carry down next pair, 69. Enter this digit, double of this digit will be 6. Now we need to think one digit, and then multiplication with this number will be 469 or less than 469. Let us think about it. 3 threes are 9, then number is larger than that. So let us think 7. 7 sevens are 49, then 4, 7 6 are 42, 42 and 46. This 4, 46. So you will get, we got 7, then you will write 7. 469, multiplication of 7 with 67 is 469. So what will be answer? Square root of 1369 is 37. What is square root of 1369 is 37. Let us do next part. Next part is seventh part, 5776. It is 5776. Start pairing from the right side. We got 2 pair. Now let us think about that number whose square is less than 57 or equal to 57. Let us think. 6 6 ja 36, 7 7 ja 49, 8 8 ja 64. 8 8 ja 64 will be larger than this 57. 8 8 ja 64. Then 7 7 ja 49. It is 17 minus 9, 8. 4 minus 4, 0. Carry down next pair, 7 6. What is double of this quotient? 14. Now enter this 14 with leaving one digit, one blank at its right side. Now think about one digit whose multiplication with this complete number is equals to 876 or less than this 876. Let us see what it could be. Multiply 14 with 6 6 ja 36. Let us try with 6. 6 6 ja 36. 6 4 ja 24. 7. 6 1 ja 6 and 2 8. So that digit is 6 right there. 6. It is 876. So what will be square root of 5776 is 76. Square root of this 5776 is 76. Next part is 8th part, 7921. Its square root we have to find out by division method. Start pairing this 21 and 79. So 8 8 ja 64, then 9 9 ja 81. That will be larger than this 79. So 8 8 ja 64. 9 minus 4, 5. 7 minus 6, 1. Carry down next pair. Okay. Double of this will be 16. 8 2 ja 16. Now let us think about one number. 9 9 ja 81. And this number is larger. So I will try with the 9. 9 9 9 ja 81. 9 6 ja 54. Then it will be 62. 6 9 1 ja 9 and 5. 50. So this digit is 9. You will write there 9 and multiplication is 1521. Remainder is 0. So square root of 7921 is 89. What is square root of 7981? 7921 is 89. Let us do next part. What is next part? 89. Next part is 9th part. 576. 576. Start pairing from the right side. 76 one pair and then this 5 one digit left unpaired. So you will keep bar on single digit. 2 2s are 4. You will write there. Its remainder is 1, carry down next pair, 76. Double of this quotient will be 4. Now think about this digit, what it could be. It is 4 4 ja 16. It will be 4 only. Multiply with 4. 4 4 ja 16. 1 4 4 ja 16 and 1 17. So 176 with digit 6. You will write there 6. So multiplication of 4. It is 4. And there also 4. And multiplication is 176. Remainder is 0. So square root of 576 is 24. 24. Let us see. This was question part number 9. Now we are going to do part number 10. What is 10th part? 1024. 1024. Its square root we have to find out by division method. Let us see.